Welcome to my channel where I offer travel and adventure tips and tricks. Watch this video to learn how to create cheap and easy window privacy covers for any car. So some supplies you'll need are rope, scissors, 2 carabiners, 6 clips, 3 pieces of fabric, 3 to 4 black poster boards, and I didn't end up using the magnets. I cut the rope into 3 pieces, about 65 inches or 165 centimeters each. So the purpose of the carabiners is to clip it right here in order to be able to tie a rope around it. And you're gonna have to figure out what works best with your car depending on the specific features that are available in the car. So first we'll tie the rope to the carabiner using a bowline knot, then stick the carabiner in the hole in the trunk area and tie the rope to the grab handle in the front seat. If you don't know how to do a bowline knot, this is how. You're gonna loop it first, then put it through the carabiner and take this end, put it through the loop, around this side, through this little section, and then pull. I think that's correct, but honestly, you can always look up another bowline tutorial online because that's what I did. I tied a bowline knot on the front grab handle. Make sure that this has good tension because we will drape fabric over it. Once the rope is tied along the side, I draped fabric over it and secured it with clips in the back and the front. There's a little hook in the middle that I used as well. I just used some scrap fabric that I had on hand, but the ideal fabric would be lightweight and opaque. A lightweight sheet would also work, you just might want to cut it. Now I'll show you how I create these window covers with the black paper. The first thing I do is place the paper on the window and push it up into the space between the plastic and the window. Then I crease it into the bottom of the window, and this gives me an idea of where I need to cut. When I pull it off, you can see the crease still, so I'll cut about 1 inch, which is about 2.5 centimeters below the crease. You'll see how this allows the paper to stay in place when it's vertical against the window. Once I put it up against the window, you can see that as I push the paper into the space, it secures itself to the car. Then I'll take any extra pieces I have and use them to cover up any open window space. Here is the paper completely covering the window. Now I will repeat this and do it on the 3 big windows in the back of the car. I just did the same thing with the fabric on the front of the car. So here we have the final product. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done and it's cheap and easy to do. And now we have full privacy in the back of the car. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more travel and adventure tips.